How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might be aware that if you have a free account on Spotify, when you open the Spotify application and then you try to play a specific song, or maybe you try to purchase or just listen to those songs, right? The problem here is that instead of playing the next song that is on the playlist, it only loads the song randomly and then just gives you the random songs to listen from. You really don't have control over your songs that you might want to listen to. Unfortunately, if you are on the free account, the truth is that you will not be able to turn off shuffle. You might see the shuffle option here. You can see it, the shuffle icon is currently turned on. If I tap on it, the only thing it tells me is that get premium to play any songs anytime. This is only one of the features of the premium user. Nowadays Spotify and Snapchat and all of the platforms have been rolling out these type of subscription methods where if you want to get even a small feature, you just have to get the premium and then you don't have any other choice other than that. Unfortunately, if you want to get premium, then of course you can just tap on explore premium. Now if you don't know how to get premium, I'll make sure to drop a few links in the description box below, because we've already made dedicated videos on that. I won't cover them on this because that's just going to be a very lengthy process. Once you've done this process, you'll be able to successfully turn off shuffle, as you will be able to find it and then listen to songs in any order randomly, so by shuffling or without shuffle. So hope this video helped to answer the question. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.